Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 9. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Let us find. Let us find. Here you see. First number is question number 1 is root 23. Root over of 23. If we find the square root of 23, we will get a value like this. Like 79, it is continuing. Right? Here you see. Here you see as the decimal expansion as the decimal expansion as the decimal expansion of this number decimal expansion of this number is non-terminating 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 non-recurring non-recurring. You see, there is nothing is repeating. Non-recurring non-recurring. Therefore, it is an irrational number. Therefore, it is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. Now, question number 2 is root over 225. Number 2 is root over 225. It can be written as square root of 15 into 15, and that comes to be 15, and 15 can be written as 15 by 1, 15 by 1, right? Where we see that here we see that P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 and Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is a rational number. Therefore, it is a rational number. 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 Now question number 3 is 0.3796 and the decimal expansion of this number as the decimal expansion of this number decimal expansion of this number, decimal expansion of this number is terminating, is terminating, is terminating, is terminating. Therefore, therefore, it is a rational number. Therefore, it is a rational number. It is a rational number. It is a rational. It is a rational number. Now, question number 4 is question number 4. Question number 4 is we are getting that 7.7.47 4784 478 4784 7 8 dot dot dot, then we can write it here as 7.478 478 bar 4 7 8 bar, right? As the decimal expansion, as the decimal expansion, as the decimal expansion, as the decimal expansion, as the decimal expansion is non is non-terminating recurring, is non-terminating, 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 recurring, non-terminating recurring, recurring. Therefore, it is a rational number. Therefore, it is a rational number. 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 Now, question number 5, 1.0. Question number 5 is 1.10 100 1 3 zeros 1 4 zeros 2 3 4 1 dot dot dot, as the decimal expansion, as the decimal expansion, as the decimal expansion, as the decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring, non-terminating, 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 non-recurring, non-recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring, non-recurring. Therefore, it is an irrational number. Therefore, it is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.